First, enriching color choices. Launching glitter wallpaper with a variety of color designs to meet different decoration needs and attract a wide range of consumers. Second, emphasizing environmental protection and practicality. Promoting environmentally friendly PP materials with moisture-proof and wear-resistant functions to enhance product appeal. Third, promoting DIY convenience. Highlighting self-adhesive installation, encouraging DIY experience, and attracting customers who love home renovation. Fourth, setting up an experience area. Setting up a glitter wallpaper display area to intuitively present the effect and stimulate customers' desire to buy. Fifth, seasonal promotions. Combine holiday promotions with limited time discounts to increase customer flow and sales. Follow me to learn more tips to attract effective customers.